Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your player ID in Merge Gardens. Your player ID or your support ID in Merge Gardens is important when contacting support, restoring progress, or linking accounts. First of all, launch open the Merge Gardens game on your device, and from the home page of Merge Gardens, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu buttons at the top right corner. From the expanded pop-up menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on View under Support. Now, you'll see your player ID over here on the page. Go ahead and tap on it to copy the player ID or your support ID on your device's clipboard. You can paste it anywhere so that you can keep it safe, and that's how you have found your player ID in Merge Gardens. You can now use it for support requests, account recovery, or verifying your game progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.